Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can install DWM in the most easiest way. So let's get started. So first you should visit my blog, which is, I will link this in the description, so just go down. And I'm in Debian, so I just need to copy this command and just install all the dependencies and type my password. That should done. That's the wrong password. The right password should do it. Okay, again. Okay, now this, yeah, so everything is already installed for me, so I don't have to do anything. So now what I need to do is just need to cd dot local user dot local and ls, and let cd share and ls, and now from here I will be creating a directory called suckless. Actually I don't want to write dot suckless, so I'm going to mkdir dwm cd dwm. So I'm going to create a directory. I mean, you can change however you want. Now I'm going to here, from here I'm going to git clone dwm. So git clone dwm would clone dwm for me, and it's cloning. Now I won't be using st as my default terminal, so I don't need st. At dmenu, yeah, dmenu, I needed dmenu because dmenu is very nice. So that's the, I think actually I do have sudo apt install dwm. Do I sudo apt install the menu as a package in the ubuntu apt repository? No, there is no dmenu. Okay, note selecting suckless tools instead of dmenu. Suckless tools is already new version, so like, do I have dmenu already? Dmenu. Okay, so what by automatic no longer. Okay, fine. So I don't think that's it's in the dmenu. So now it's cloning, so I'm waiting for the cloning to finish, and after that we can get started. Okay, so now the cloning is finished. So what I need to do next is clone dmenu. So git clone dmenu. It's cloning. It will take only a few seconds. You know, suckless packages are very small and they require very less space. So okay, so let's that now what we need to do is actually cd into DWM and sudo make clean installs. We need to do both for DWM as well as for the dmenu. So let's get started with that. So it's not, let me just create a new window and cd dot local share cd, okay, fedor. Okay, now what's that? cd dwm. So that's done. Now make ls. Okay, cd okay, I need again cd dwm. Now make, okay, now that's making, and sudo make clean install, and that should do it. Yeah, that's done. Now we go back and cd menu and make sudo make clean install. Now that is done. Now starting DWM, you need to put the next section over here. So before that I need to go to cd dwm ls and mem. Okay, I need to remove config.def.h and make config.h, and from here terminal where's terminal yeah, I don't need st. What I'm going to use is kitty. That's my default terminal which I like to use, so that's kitty. So that's Ctrl+Q and make, you know, after every change you need to again, you know, sudo make clean install for the changes to happen, because we are actually changing the source code of DWM. That is enough. Now what we need is to copy this file. Okay, instead of, we actually need to change the path. Instead of this, we need to put in the local directory. So what we are going to do is actually go to cd slash where is this file over here? Yeah, slash user share x sessions ls. Now from here we need to write sudo nvim DWM dot desktop. Count 50v over here. Now what we need to do over here is like, oh shit, redo. Okay, and from here you need to change this path, which is slash home slash my username is Michelle slash dot local slash share slash DWM slash DWM. That's why it goes DWM. Now that should be working. So that's it. Save and quit and DWM. Okay, so the command is working, so which is nice. So that's it. That's how you install DWM. And you know, if you want, I would show you after setup, after logging out and you know showing up the DWM setup. So that's it, and thank you.